Solo mining Bitcoin Cash is one of the pure way to earn crypto directly from blockchain. No middleman, no mining pool. Okay, just your hardware, your node, and then your luck. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how solo mining Bitcoin Cash works. Okay, so let me go straight to the point. I don't want to waste much time. Okay, so when it says solo mining, it means you are mining block on your own without joining any pool. Okay, so for this one, it's only you. Okay, that's you mine only. Okay, and find the block and then win the Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so you don't join any pool. Okay, so if your machine find a block, you take the full block reward for Bitcash. The block rewarded is 6.25 BCH plus transaction fee. Okay, so when you mine, and as I said earlier that, and your luck. Okay, so if you have luck and then you mine and get the block, then you win Bitcoin. Okay, 6.25 BCH. Okay, and the things you need, okay, to use it to mine and then get the block. Okay, so what you need to solo mining BCH is mining hardware. Okay, so you need mining hardware to mine and then get the blockchain, get the block, and then win the Bitcoin Cash. Okay, and two, you have to have a stable electricity. Okay, if your power is unstable, your mining will fail. Okay, so if you don't have a stable electricity, you can't mine this. Okay, to get the block and then win the Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so you have to have a stable electricity. And the next thing you have to do is you need, before solo mining this, is full node software. Okay, so you must run a Bitcoin Cash full node on your computer or server. Okay, yes, for this one also you need a Bitcoin Cash full node on your computer or server. Okay, so before you can mine this and then get the block and then win the Bitcoin, this also are needed. Okay, and the next thing you need to know is solo mining configuration. Okay, so you need that one also, solo mining configuration. Okay, so these are the things you need before you can mine, and then mine it very well to get the block and then win the Bitcoin. And okay, so and if your miner tries to solve a cryptographer puzzle, if your machine solve it before everyone else on the network, then you will win the block. You will get paid you will get 6.25 BCT paid directly to your BCH account. Okay, so when you mine it very well, and you are the first person to get the block, okay, the reward you will get, that I said earlier, is you get 6.25 BCH and then pay it directly to your BCH wallet. Okay, so no pool fee, no sharing. If you don't find a block, you earn zero. That's the risk. Okay, so the risk on it is that when you tried and you didn't earn any block, then you are going to get nothing. Okay, so make sure to put your energy when you are mining it. Make sure to put your energy, your effort, everything on it to get the block and then bring the Bitcoin cash. Else, at the end of the day, you get zero. Okay, so that's the rake from it. And when you get the block and then bring the 6.25 BCH, then the Bitcoin you get, you are not going to pay, you are not going, no pool fees, you won't share it with anyone. It's just for yours. Okay, yours only. You won't share it with anyone. And okay, so how to create the um BCH wallet? Okay, so that when you win the block and then they paid you your money, okay, so that it will come through your wallet. So how to set up a solo mining? Okay, so what you have to do is, one, install Bitcoin Cash node. Okay, so go to BCHN, which is Bitcoin Cash node. Okay, and then download and then install the full node. So when you install the full node, then you created your wallet to receive the reward. Okay, so before you can receive rewards, make sure to create your wallet so that they will pay you your reward through your wallet. And then use wallet that support BCH. Okay, so make sure when you are creating the wallet, use wallet that support BCS. You find the block, all right, but if the wallet you have created doesn't support the BCH, they can't pay your Bitcoin through your wallet. Okay, so make sure to create a wallet that support BCH. So this is how Bitcoin, that is why solo mining Bitcoin Cash work. Okay, if you work very hard, you get the block and then you get paid. But if it doesn't get the block, you won't get anything at the end of the day. Okay, so that is the disadvantage on it. Okay, so it's have a very high risk. Okay, so if you try and then get the blog, then they will pay you the Bitcoin Cash. But if you didn't find the reward, you get zero at the end. Okay, so this is how solo mining Bitcoin Cash works. So if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My channel. Don't forget to like, share, and then if you have any comments, leave it and comment down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.